Neil from Clean. I am doing a house wash today. We're doing a chemical house wash on this one. Given that the slate, which is the tiling that you see here, is so badly molded, I have opted to do a chemical wash on this. Now we are using a kind of bleach on this. Unfortunately there's not too much vegetation around. Even if there is, you can actually rinse the vegetation before and after and you won't kill the plants. The purpose of doing the chemical wash as opposed to a normal hot wash is that the chemical will actually kill the spores in the slate, so the customer will actually get a better longevity of time before that mold grows back. I'm guessing this is the south side of the property, hence it's been so bad. Okay, so the first step is really that we actually spray the chemical onto the surface. Okay, and we use foamers to allow it to stick on vertical surfaces like that, so it comes up really well. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to rinse down this tree in a minute. So that's the process, and then we're going to let it sit for about 8-10 minutes. I'll continue working around the corner here, spraying it up, and then we're going to come back and we'll wash it off, and you'll see how easy and beautiful it'll come up. Okay, show you the results and the process shortly. This is the in progress cleaning. You can see where I've worked already. It's coming up like brand new. Even with slate, which is a very kind of delicate surface, you can't hit it with too much pressure, and that's why we're using heat. Let me show you how it's coming up. The results, so we're really pleased with them, and it looks like new almost. You know, this is, if you look at the rest of the house, we did wash down the whole of the house. You can see there was nowhere near as much mold on these tiles, but it looks identical to those. So really pleased with the results, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.